In this video, I'm going to show you how to put a stop loss in expert option. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your account, on your chart, you want to click on up here where it's showing basically the symbol you're currently trading and seeing on a chart. And then you want to click over on the stocks, okay? Whenever you do this here, you'll be able to click on any of these assets. So right now, as you can see, the markets are closed. So I'm just going to click on one of these which are currently open. For example, Volkswagen over here, and I'm going to click confirm. There we go. And then when you are on your stock, you want to click on place order down at the bottom. And of course, don't forget to select the amount of lots you want to do and then click on that. And then here, I'm just going to click on, let me actually swap over to my demo so I can show you how this is done. There we go. Place order. And then here it's going to say auto close. Okay. And this is where you can set your stop loss. So you want to click on edit. And then on the right hand side here, this is where there's going to be your stop loss. So you can do this in percentages, and then you'll be able to see your rate and then your loss as well. And I'm going to click on apply. And as you can see, I've successfully put a stop loss on my current order. I can click on confirm and the stop loss is going to be applied. Okay, so that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.